Minisita w'ebyobulimi obulunzi n'obuvubi Frank tumwebaze mu kugulawo omwoleso gwa Vestman Expo 2023 ku kisaawe Kololo nga gutegekeddwa Vision Group ayaniriziddwa akulira kampuni eno Don Wanyama omumyuka we Javes Ndyanabo n'omukunganyi w'oku ntikko wa Vision Group Barbara Kaija asookedde mu kulambula emidaala egy'enjawulo okubadde aba Engsol abaddukanya faamu ya President wansi wa State House banka enkulu eya Uganda nga wonna bamunnyonnyodde bye bakola.
Ideally, technically, with combine harvesters, what changes are the headers?
So, promise me, when are you making the concentrates here? We shall talk. I want to come as a guest.
Agenze ku Dutch Village ngena sinkanye omubaka wa Dutch mu Uganda High Excellence Boven Karen era basaza akaguwa okugulawo omwoleso guno mu butongole.
3, 2, 1. Wonderful, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Honorable Minister.
Omubaka Karen amubuulidde ebimu ku bye bakola naawe obweyamo nga bw'agenda okunyweza enkolagana ne Vision Group okwongera okusitula ebyobulimi n'obulunzi mu ggwanga.
The Netherlands Embassy supports and will continue to support other initiatives that push the agriculture agenda forward.
Ng'okulambula kuwedde akulira Vision Group Wanyama ayogeddeko eri aboolesi abavugirizi n'abakungu ab'enjawulo.
It is really a pleasure to see you all here and to see the energy that is very visible at this expo.
Agamba nti omulamwa gwa Vision Group kwe kulaba nga bayamba bannayuganda okwekulaakulanyira nga balina ekyenjawulo kye bakola.
Any serious media house would have to dedicate resources, personnel, platforms and time to the subject of agriculture. That's what the Vision Group is doing.
Ayogedde ne ku misomo abaana gye bategese kubajja emiti emito egigumiza ekibira.
So for this particular year, the sub-theme, for us, the main theme as usual is farming as a business. This year we've decided to focus a lot on post-harvest handling. As you know, Honorable Minister, that is one of the issues that the country grapples with.
Akikkaatiriza nti abantu basaanye okugoberera ekibalo President Museveni ky'azaayogerako entakera okusobola okufuna mu bulimi n'obulunzi.
So we look at value addition, we look at enterprise selection, and all the sessions that we are doing. I told you as we're coming that we have so many experts who are doing sessions. We keep insisting on teaching people how to make whatever enterprise they are involved in profitable.
Alambuludde ku mulamwa gw'omwoleso gwa Harvestman omwaka guno n'asiima batadde ensimbi mu nteekateeka n'abo aboolesezza olw'obuwagizi.
We have made history for this particular edition by having over 10 sponsors, which had never happened before. So I want to thank everyone who has come on board for this edition.
Minister tumwebaza asiimye Vision Group ekitebe kya Budaaki n'ekitongole ekyavudde Budaaki okujja okwolesa wano.
I really want to thank you, Vision, for consistently being a partner in the transformation of the agricultural sector. Give them a round of applause. I want to thank the Netherlands Embassy for passionately supporting, talking, and working the core of farming. Thank you.
Agamba nti bagenda kukola nnyo okulaba nga bongera amaanyi mu kunoonyereza ku nsigo n'embeera y'obudde.
We must invest in the research. We must make sure that our seed systems are resilient and strong. We must ensure that our breeder and foundation seed is disease resistant, is climate resilient, and can sustain us for generations.
Ayongerako nti bagenda kulaga abalimi nti omuntu asobola okufuna mu by'obulimi n'obulunzi ku mitendera gyonna.
We shall continue to show farmers that you can benefit from agriculture both at small scale and large scale. And that's what the BBU is helping us to do. Give them another round of applause.
Agamba baagala okulaba nga batwala omwoleso guno mu bitundu by'eggwanga eby'enjawulo.
And we can also discuss how we can take this to the countryside. To the countryside. Arua, Gulu, Mbarara, Kabale, Kumi.
1. Wonderful, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Honorable Minister.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.